Hello and welcome back. We have some really fun recipe for you this afternoon. Today we are going to make, it's called Dalgona coffee, or kind of like Dalgona candy. It's kind of like sugar candy. It's not the Dalgona coffee you guys thinking of. Dalgona coffee, that whipped coffee. This is not it. This is the real deal. So this afternoon my son's going to help me with this, and then let's get going. So this recipe is so easy, my son can do it. So here's what we need. We need sugar and baking soda, and that's it. We are going to use 1 cup of sugar. I know we are using a lot of sugar, but it's okay. We got 1. So this is 1 cup of sugar, and then we're gonna put a little bit of water, and then we are going to start cooking. So we are almost boiling right now. And then I'm going to stop the stove. I'm going to put a couple teaspoons of baking soda. And then I'm going to stir it fast. I'm going to put on the parchment paper. Okay, so here's what happened. It's not good. Okay, we have to try again. I'll be right back. This is terrible. Last one was pretty bad, so I'm gonna try one more time. This time I'm gonna make without putting water in it, just the sugar and baking soda this time. You see the smoke coming out? So now I'm gonna shut it off. I'm gonna put some baking sodas in it, and then I'm gonna stir quickly. Just like this. Turns out a lot better than last time. And I'm just gonna simply dunk it into my parchment paper. Okay, so let me show you. It's gonna look something like this. Just like that. I'm going to wait about a couple hours, and then everything's cooled down, and break it apart. Now, Dalgona candy is nice and nicely cooled down. So, by the way, this is really light. So now is the fun part. So now we are going to break into pieces. This thing is really light and crunchy. Wow, it's really good. So, you know what? Why don't we make a Dalgona latte right now? Shot looks pretty good. So now let's put everything together. And now we're gonna add shot of double espresso. Okay. And then here's the where magic happens. Like so. So let's try this. So this is Dalgona Ice Latte. We got a double shot here. I'm gonna just mix it well. By the way, if you are counting calories, do not make this at home. Okay, this is full of sugar and it's not good. But I'm just gonna have a sip. I'm not gonna finish this, but I'm just gonna have a sip. Cheers. Okay, it's a very nutty flavor. Nutty. I like the espresso. I can definitely taste the espresso. And the sweetness from the Dalgona coffee is really good. Okay, I'm done. It's very good. I think I overcooked the sugar. Okay, I think next time I need to change my recipe. So I need to cook lesser. I think I felt like I burned the sugar slightly. But other than that, this is fantastic. Anyway, I hope you guys having a great weekend or weekdays, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well, and see you guys next time.